Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the Salad Transcription API AppSumo deal, which is currently available for the 67% discount if you choose the tier 10 codes, okay, for $790. If you choose one code for $79, there will be a 34% discount. Remember, this is a lifetime deal, okay, so you will be paying once and then will be using that on a monthly basis over and over again. So what this Salad Transcription API is, okay? So when it comes to audio and video content, seems like a blast recording it until you have to transcribe it, okay? So basically, since the most transcription API services are so expensive, you are stuck between shelling out big bucks or manually doing it all yourself. If only there was a powerful transcription API that leverages ASR models to accurately transcribe audio and video content in different languages. All right, so this is something which is available on the Salad. Okay, this deal actually relates only to transcription API. Okay, this APIs Salad is a quite large platform. Okay, so this is the Salad platform. Okay, let me see how many people are using this platform on a monthly basis. Yeah, it's just about 700,000 people. All right, and it's very similar to the Rampart. Okay, so the Rampart is offering similar services. You know, you can hire GPU or CPU on both of those platforms. Okay, and I just want to go quickly through what the platforms are like. You know, the Salad and Rampart. Okay, so it's very similar to each other. Obviously, Rampart has their own pricing and everything else. Let me see how many people are using Rampart. Yeah, 414,000 people are using the Rampart on a monthly basis. So Salad is a little bit bigger than Rampart. Okay, but they offer similar solutions. Okay, when it comes to this AppSumo deal, this AppSumo deal is only for the transcription API. Okay, so this API will be only for this transcription. Okay, some of you guys might find it useful. All right, so let's go and see it. Okay, transcribe long files of video or audio content. Okay, access industry-leading accuracy for insight from your favorite LLM like GPT. Okay, get support for common files formats so you don't need to convert your files. All right, so if you need a transcription, okay, that might be something which will give you some sort of advantage because the pricing will be much lower that you in comparison what you have to pay out there. Okay, if you want to do it like without any sort of discount. Okay. And they are supporting 97 languages, okay, including English, Spanish, and others. Okay, that means that you'll be able to make your content globally accessible with captions and subtitles to ensure ADA compliance for audiences with disabilities. All right, so accurately identify speakers. Even better, Salad Transcription API lets you differentiate between speakers and most accents to translate content with many speakers. Okay, so they will be able to also find out if there's, let's say, you have a podcast and you want to transcribe that podcast, they will be able to find out, this API will be able to distinguish how many actually of the speakers are on that podcast and will differentiate between those. Okay, so I think that's a quite cool, interesting thing. Right, so there you go. There will be a piece of code you will have to basically log into it, okay, and just starting using it before you do just a few bits and pieces which you will have to go ahead and do some sort of editing. Not much though, but there is still a bit of things which you'll have to do manually. Okay, so what the features are here. Okay, so built in a Whisper large version tree as the core model, transcribe up to 2 hours audio video files. That's for tier 1. Okay, to 97 languages, all current and future languages, diarization, speaker recognition, sentence, word level, time codes, hallucination removal typical from Whisper large version tree, transcripts, captions, and subtitles, supports audio in MP3, VAV, WAV, M4A, and etc. Supports videos, automatic speech recognition, JSON, and SRT outputs. All right, so that's all. All those plans include those features. Okay, when it comes to pricing, when we start with the tier 1, $79, all the features above, with 100 transcriptions hours per month. Okay, if you want to go all the way to the 10 codes, you have 2000 transcriptions hours per month, which is a lot. Okay, but you never know, some heavy users might need that. Okay, so and as I said, like, you'll be getting, like, for example, you'll be using this tool on a monthly basis, you will need to pay only once off. Okay, Let me see how many people. Yeah, eight reviews. Reviews are always they are very positive. Okay, Salad Transcription API, game changer for SaaS entrepreneurs. Okay, as a SaaS entrepreneur, I'm always looking for tools that can give me a market. Okay, so here you go. So it's a fella who is actually creating softwares. Okay, so for some of you guys who has a software, have some software in your mind, that might be a solution for you. So let's jump quickly into the Salad itself. All right, so here's the Salad's website, the most affordable cloud for AI ML interface at scale. Okay, so you can deploy artificial intelligence or machine learning production models without headaches on the lowest price consumer GPU from 2 cents per hour. 2 cents per hour, that's amazingly low. Okay, let's see what the what is it, I think the Rampart is offering you guys. What is it, the Rampart is starting off, the pricing is by the way, I like Rampart. Okay, I do like their Rampart, but I didn't see. I think the lowest they were offering, there was something like 18 cents. Yeah, there is a solution where you can pay 18-19 cents. Okay, so yeah, it's just about it's like that here, 2 cents. I don't know what 2 cents means. I don't know how fast or quick that GPU would be, but still, I think it's quite interesting. Okay, I'm planning to actually do some additional video about just the comparison Salad versus Rampart. Okay, because I'm using the Rampart myself, but I want to give you some sort of additional information if you decided just to use one or another. Okay, so language models, you can start permanent tokens for 12 cents, for 4 cents starting price to deploy your own large language model, and 22 cents per hour to run your 7 billion parameter models. 7 billion parameter models for 22 cents. That's absolutely, I think that's a bargain, isn't it? So there we go. Some sort of like RTX 3060 for 8 cents per hour. Let me have a look here quickly where we are with this. Okay, let's go with the parts and let's check the parts here. Right, 44 cents. Sorry, what they were saying? They were saying that 48 for 28 cents. I think that's about the same what this what Rampart is offering. Okay, so I think the pricing is not much different between each other. However, the one difference which I noticed is this 360 8 gigabyte. Yeah, that's 8 gigabyte. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's for 8 cents. I think Rampart have the similar one for but 24 gigabytes, so that's difference. Okay, and it's much more expensive. I don't see it here at the moment, but that's fine. It's something which different platforms have a different pricings. It obviously also differs from the how popular those servers are, and for how you can go with the number of those GPUs. How many do you need? Like 60 gigabytes VRAM and everything else. So but here I think they just showing you the lowest, the lower your total cost of ownership of TCO on cloud. Okay, so high TCO on popular clouds is a well-known secret. With Salad Cloud, you just containerize your application, choose your responsive, and we manage the rest, lowering your TCO and getting market quickly. Yeah, it looks like they are a little bit cheaper than Rampart, but not necessarily. It's really up to the how many. As I say, how much. It's not about only a GPU. It's also about the VRAM and everything else on top of that. Okay, so it's something which you need to go and consider. Okay, so there you go. That's a quick, in a nutshell, review between the Rampart and the Salad. That's not really what this video should be about. I was just trying to cover this Salad Transcription API AppSumo deal. Okay, so but remember, guys, this deal is available now on AppSumo. It's I think for somebody who might use it, who might find it useful. It's a bargain. You know, for $79 once off, you can have like what is it? 2,000 hours to like 100 hours per month of transcriptions and captions. I think that's a good deal. That's a good deal. Okay, so yeah, but in the meantime, you know, remember Salad, very similar to that similar solution like a Rampart. I'll be doing this separate video about the Salad versus Rampart in the future, but this one is is a Salad, but only a transcription API. Okay, remember that. So guys, I'll be leaving the link below to this deal. Go and check it out yourself. If you have any questions, leave it below, and if you subscribe to my channel, I'll be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.